Hello loves, thank you for joining me in today's video. Today I'm showing you how to make shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is similar to cottage pie and ackee pimento. The only difference is that shepherd's pie uses mutton or lamb as the meat, whereas cottage pie uses beef. And the French version, which is ackee pimento, uses beef with the addition of egg and cheese. So today I'm showing you how to make this British comfort food. It's pretty easy to put together. So stay tuned and see how this is made. So because potatoes are the main ingredients in this shepherd's pie, I've got about 8 large pieces of potatoes which I'm going to cut into smaller chunks. I've already started the process. Cutting this allows the potatoes to cook really fast. Once you're done, bring your potatoes into a large pot. Rinse the potatoes to get rid of sand and then run some cool water over to cover all the potatoes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and place the potato on the stove top. Cover and bring to a boil for 15 to 20 minutes until all the potatoes are soft and nice. While waiting for the potatoes to get cooked, let's prepare the rest of our vegetables for the meat filling. Go ahead and dice 4 medium carrots. Also dice 1 large onion, celery, and mince your fresh thyme. Once you're done cutting all your veggies, set them aside and move to the next step. At this point, your potatoes should have been cooked. You can see they are nice and soft. Drain the potatoes in a colander and leave to sit for a while in the sink until all the liquid has totally drained off. Go ahead and mash the potatoes while they are still warm. You can use potato ricer or a potato masher. If you don't have one, you can easily improvise. Once your potatoes are beautifully mashed, just like so, go in with 4 tablespoons of butter, ½ cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Mix everything together to combine beautifully. Once you're done, cover and set this aside. Next, you're going to place a large pan on the stove top. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, go in with the chopped onions. Saute this for 3 minutes until slightly wilted. Once your onion is wilted, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Once this is fragrant, go in with the rest of the veggies, celery, and carrot. Cook this until the carrots and celeries are tender. After 3 minutes, your carrots and celeries are all tender. Now go in with your ground lamb. I'm using 1 kilo of ground lamb. Use a spatula to break all the lumps apart. Now cook the lamb on medium heat for 6 minutes until it's no longer pink. Once the meat is no longer pink, go ahead and season this with some herbs. I'm adding in some rosemary, fresh thyme, pepper, and salt. Cook this while stirring. Now go in with 1 cup of frozen peas and also add in 1.5 cup of beef or lamb stock. You can also use some stock cubes and water if you don't have meat stock. Stir everything and let this combine nicely. Cover and cook for 12 minutes or until the meat is tender. After 12 minutes of cooking the meat, it's tender. You can now test for salt and pepper and adjust your liking. I'm just going to go in with a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of ground chili for extra heat. Stir to combine. Go ahead and make a slurry of cornstarch. This is about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch dissolved in water. This will help thicken the filling. Stir this immediately and let everything combine beautifully. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes until it thickens up. Now you have a very rich meat filling for your shepherd's pie. I'm just going to turn off the heat. Pour the meat filling into your baking dish. Level this up with a spatula. Next, scoop the mashed potatoes on the surface. Use a spoon to spread this out and then level the surface. To make some strips on the surface. This will help create some crispy surface on your shepherd's pie. You can do it the other way around as well. Now that everything appears so beautiful, you can bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Your shepherd's pie is out of the oven. You will know this is ready once you notice a golden surface just like this. So we have these crispy potatoes covered on the surface and some juicy meat filling inside. Let's check what this looks like. You can hear that it's so crusty and soft on the inside. Oh my god, can you see this? It smells really good. Look at all of that flavor and crispiness. What better way do you want to enjoy the week if not with this delicious comfort food? is so rich and flavorful. I can't wait to have this right away. This tastes so good. This shepherd's pie got its name from the fact that shepherds usually rear sheep. When it's made with beef, it's not called shepherd's pie, but rather cottage pie. I hope you try out this simple shepherd's pie recipe at home and let me know what you think about it. You can like and share the videos with your friends and loved ones. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so before you leave. Thank you guys for watching and let's see you again next time. Bye.